Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop new customer 2005 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner. What does that mean, pre-runner SR5? If you look on the back, well, it's the simple one. That means it doesn't have the front wheel drive, so we call it two-wheel drive. Those front CV axles are missing. I'm doing that incoming very detailed inspection for this new customer, and I just discovered something I don't see very often. I wanna share it with you. And it's related to the front brakes. So these are nice and beefy front brakes, but look at that mess with those anti-rattle springs. So here there is some bunch of broken stuff hanging there, and if we look on the other side, it's completely missing. Well, I have the part in the toolbox. I will show you what is missing. Like a good mechanic, you become collector of these items. And this is exactly, I have a bunch of them, as you can see, from all kinds of job and reasons. This is the anti-rattle spring. Let's put it here on the black surface so you can see actually how it looks like. And it seemed to be that on the passenger side there are some remnants of it, and on the the opposite passenger side doesn't have anything, and the driver side has some remainings of it. As we just discussed, Toyota calls it anti-rattle. Do you hear that? These are actually the brake pads rattling inside of that caliper. Let's try one more time. And this is on the driver's side there where we have those remainings. Let's go on the other side. Do you hear that? But wait for this one. What do you think about that? Don't you think that that was actually correct name? Anti-rattle? So I just really quickly wanted to show it to you. As I said, that doesn't happen very often, that one is missing and the other ones are in the pieces. So now you can see that part definitely needs to be installed there. Otherwise you will hear all kinds of clicking, ticking, knocking and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.